Hi guys, this is me, Katie Kitson, and I know I've not done a video for a while. That's because I've been busy and don't know what to do, so tonight before I go to bed I thought that I should do a video, and in the video we're going to have a special guest. Well, I'm going to show you the guest now, and then it's going to be with us for all the video. So he's only 7 months old. He's called Toby. If you want more videos with Toby, comment down below and I will make more videos and try to do tricks with him and stuff like that. So just comment, like, subscribe. It's a bit wiggly. Right, this little boy has had a shower today, and you should have seen him. He was all like a ball of fluff. He's in my room with me because he came upstairs. He's not allowed really, but I thought, why I've got him, I can make a video and show all you guys. So, this is adorable. Right. So, I will try and make more videos, but it's been a bit busy around here in England, so Southports. So, if you want me to make different videos, comment down below, subscribe, like, and I will try and do my best to your comments. So, bye. Say bye, Toby. Toby, say bye to the guys. Bye. Bye, guys.